Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. On this video I'm going to show you how to create this look using Faced Chocolate Gold Palette. So if you guys want to know how I created this look, please keep watching. So I'm going to go ahead and prime my face using Dr. Brandt Luminizer Primer. I'm also going to go ahead and prime my eyes using Urban Decay's Eyeshadow Primer Potion. Going in with eyebrows, I am using Anastasia's Beverly Hills Dipbrow Pomade. Next, I'm also going to use the new Hourglass Arch Brow Volumizing Fiber Gel. Now this is a great product if you have really light eyebrows and you want to add a tint of color. Using Physicians Formula Conceal RX Concealer, I'm just going to go ahead and clean my eyebrows. I'm also going to add some of that concealer all over my eyes. Using LauraMercier setting powder, I'm going to go ahead and set the concealer. Going in with the eyes, I am going to use the Faced Chocolate Gold Palette. I'm going to start by using Rolling In Dough as a transition color, and I'm just applying that all over my lids. Next, I'm using the color So Bougie and applying that on my crease like so. Using a smaller blending brush, I am using the color Cocoa Truffle and applying it on my outer V. I'm just dabbing the color right in so that I can slowly start to blend the color onto my crease. Going back with Rolling In Dough, I'm going to clean any harsh lines and apply it on my brow bone and blend it out. Using Anastasia Beverly Hills Modern Renaissance, I am using the color Love Letter, and I'm also applying it on my outer V, slowly blending it out and onto my inner crease. Using a clean blending brush, I'm just making sure everything is well blended. Going back with my chocolate gold palette, I am using the color Decadent and applying it on my outer crease. Now, because this is a black eyeshadow, I am really working this color very slowly. Using my concealer, I am going to do a half cut crease, I guess you can call it, and start from the inner corner and slowly working it halfway to the crease. Moving on, I am using Rich Girl and applying it right where I had applied the concealer. For my face, I am using It Cosmetics Bye Bye Redness Concealer and apply it under my eyes using a concealer brush, also by It Cosmetics. Moving on to foundation, I am using one of my favorites, Wet n Wild Photo Focus Foundation. Using a beauty blender, I'm just going to go ahead and blend it out. Going back with the color Decadent, I am applying it on my lower lash line and also blending it out onto my outer V. With a flat brush, I am just making sure that everything is well blended. To brighten up my eyes, I'm also using Smashbox High Definition Concealer. With a brown eyeliner pencil, I'm just lining my lower and upper water lash line. Using my translucent powder, I'm just going to set my concealer. Next, I'm using Clinique's Pretty Easy Liquid Eyeliner. For eyelashes, I am using Seductress from House of Lashes. Going back with the color Cocoa Truffle, I am going to also add it to my lower lash line. Next, I am using Gold Dipped and applying it on my inner corner. I have already applied bronzer using Tarte's Contour Palette, and now I am applying highlighter from the same palette. For lips, I use Buxom Lip Liner and this soft pink matte lipstick by Seat London. To set my makeup, I am using Smashbox Photo Finish Primer Water. Okay guys, this completes the look. I hope you'll enjoy this video. Please leave a comment down below and give it a thumbs up if you liked it. Also, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you all so much for watching, and until next time, goodbye.